What's up guys, Vic Vengeance here. Welcome back to the 30s channel. Today's episode is gonna be a pretty fun one. Abraham, aka El Piso, he ordered some intakes. We're gonna do an install, so it's not gonna be a full-on DIY, but just a simple breakdown, show you guys what it looks like. Let's get started. Check out these wheels, by the way. Some work wheel Genosis. What do you guys think? They're not for me. Just lapped them on. Gonna sell them. But what do you guys think? Looks cool or not? I think it looks pretty decent, but I'm not keeping them. So they're fixer uppers because they have some damage. I don't know if you guys can see right here, but they're 21s, by the way. It's a big ass wheel. That rear tire is super aggressive. Doesn't really tuck in. It just sits on the tire. This one tucks, but they'll be up for sale. We just pulled up. Damn. What's up, fool?
Some Starbucks.
Unbox the intake first. Paper. More paper. Stickers!
Where?
Right here. Very nice.
Oh, right here. Right here.
Damn. Oh shit, I like your shirt. She's bad.
Thanks.
Oh, that was a nasty shirt.
But Long Beach.
Yeah, Long Beach. Very nice. Damn, very nice.
Oh, nice.
Yee, more stickers and license plate frame.
Hell yeah.
Very nice.
This is going on the back.
The filter.
Yeah. Carefully.
Hey, the single filter.
This is the one that most people don't buy. But
Yeah.
this is the water protector.
Oh.
It's so water don't get in there.
Yeah, dude. Nice. Very nice. First things first, taking off
The shield.
the shield.
The radiator shield, I think it's called.
Yeah. And after that, we're taking out the bumper, right?
Yeah, the bumper.
Alright guys, so the bumper is off. This one has modified lights, so they mounted the Bluetooth and all the wiring right here in the front. So we're just cutting it off from its zip ties because it might be in the way for the intake. So better safe than sorry, might as well just move them and then reposition them once we put on the intakes. Taking off the stock air boxes was kind of a bitch, but it's naked and ready for the new ones. So we have these are rubber, huh?
Yeah.
The rubber hose, the AFP rubber hose that's gonna go in between that other plastic that we just pulled on. The sensor goes in the bottom,
Yeah.
you know, find out what it's gonna look like. We gotta put in the sensors and then put on all the clamps and the filters out the front.
Two right here. Right here.
Easy, easy peasy. And if your car blows up, then we know that was wrong.
Yeah.
One side is kind of almost on. We don't want to put the front on yet because we don't know where the filter is going to sit. So we're doing the other side. Same exact process. Truth be told, this fucking plastic was a bitch to put on and off because you got to modify the hoses, blah blah blah. But whatever, they're on. So far the engine bay looks clean as fuck. Now, next is the front. So 2 pieces right here.
See how long this takes.
Shit, 2 minutes hopefully.
Yeah. For you guys.
Yeah, I know. That doesn't go inside?
No. See?
Oh, shit. Ah, chingaste, güey.
¿Qué hubo? Yeah.
Okay. Now the fun part.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
What do you think? Give it a feel? You tighten it up.
Damn, look at that. Just need to tighten up the clamps. Look at that.
Turn it on and see how it sounds.
It's gonna sound like a Camry, watch.
I was thinking Prius.
Oh yeah, the Prius, yeah. Huge difference on the engine bay already. Put the covers back on, looks nice. Very nice. I need that next for sure.
Now we know.
Now we know. A ver pues, préndela. A ver qué pedo. You hear it? Yeah, there it is, guys. Finished product. Check it out. Very nice. Look at that. What do you guys think? Is dope or is dope? I think it's dope as fuck. So now we just gotta put the covers back on, put the bumper back on, and it'll be nice. Nice and ready to go. To do some races. Right? Plus 2 horsepower. Very nice. Alright guys, there it is. The finished product. It doesn't have the mesh grill, so you can't see the filter, but it's in there. Truth be told, it was a bitch to do. Would you agree?
Yes, sir.
It was a bitch to do. A lot of modifying, a lot of going back and forth, but it's on. You guys saw how it sounds. It sounds pretty dope. And yeah, so it's pretty clean. The end product is dope.
Just gotta put the stickers.
So now you gotta put the stickers on. Alright guys, there you have it. That is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment if you haven't already, and also follow Abraham on his Instagram. Shout out.
G37 IPO.
There it is. So stay tuned for the next one, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Later guys.